String and merging. Sorting refer to the arranging a set of data in some logical order. For example, a telephone directory can be considered as a list where each record has a field name, address, and phone number. Being unique phone number can work as a key to locate any record in the list. The method of sorting can be divided into two categories: internal sorting, external sorting. What is mean of internal sorting and what is mean of external sorting, and also we are discuss what is sorting and what is merging. Sorting basically means that if you are sort the list, if you are going to sort the array, if you are going to sort the dictionary and numbers, you just take a number of elements they having refer to some orders like 1 2 3 4 5 6. A sequence is called sorting. Sequence basically, if we talk about the A B C D E F G, and this is a sequence of alphabeticals. And if we talk about the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 type the numbers. So basically we are clear that if we are using the sorting and merging. Sorting refer to the arranging the set of data in some logical order. And for example, the telephone directory can be considered as a list where each record has with their field name, address, and phone number. If you are going to maintain the phone directory, means you just maintain the manually directory of the any friend circles, any family members, and any persons. You just take a record like name, like address, like phone numbers, and being unique phone number can work as a key to locate any record in the list. Okay, what is mean of unique key? Unique key means key if we having the two names like Rahul and Rahul, both name are similar, but I think name is similar in your list. But if we talk about the key generally define the uniquely define the person and place. If we are save the number, if any person's like a name is Rahul, we are not select the name as a key because we are know that name are similar to anyone, and we have a lots of name. Maybe two name are similar, four name are similar, five name are similar, but I think there is a, record book. Any one thing pick up to fetch the data like that, like Aadhaar card number, like PAN card number, like mobile number, like anything you want to pick up to select the data for particular persons. It's like a key. Okay. So now we are just telling about sorting and merging. The sorting basically, when we talk about the sorting, it means you sort the list, sort the data, and arrange them in sequence form, like a sequence, like your numbers, like alphabet, like जैसे भी आप करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो. Okay. I think you are clear that what is sorting. Examples of phone directories and being unique the phone numbers and can work the key and the create and local records in the list. Yeah, you just take a phone numbers and you just pick the phone numbers to access the any data for the members and persons. The method of sorting can be divided to two categories: the internal sorting and external sorting. Okay, I'm just telling what is internal sorting and what is external sorting. Example is one The example is one A is equal to 3 1 6 2 1 3 4 5 9 0, and the other is A is equal to 0 1 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 9. What is 0 1 1 2 3 3 4 5 6? Okay, I'm just see I'm just so it there is a numbers like 3 1 3 जो भी लिखा है 3 1 6 2 1 3 4 like, and this number is a sorting of that number. Just see it. We have picked the zero. In this number we have take the smaller key, like smaller numbers, like zero is smaller, place there. Then one, or then one, place here one and one, because they have follow the sequence like the increasing order. We have two sequence: increasing order, decreasing orders. Like when we are see the any type of sequence, you see that yeah, this is a increasing order and decreasing order. When we talk about the first sequence, like this is not a increasing order and not a decreasing order, and not any normal series and normal numbers. They are a mix up of the multiple type of number. And when we are convert in this type of number, like increasing or decreasing order, we say that this is a sorting. What this is called sorting. First number is number form, Second one is if B is equal to S, B, F, A, D, T, U. We have already the A to Z alphabet collections, and we know that we know that the alphabetical sequence are the having the index number like 26 numbers होते हैं, आपको पता है. जीरो पोजीशन पे आपका ए की स्टार्टिंग होती है, फिर वन बी ऐसे स्टार्ट हो जाता है आपका. तो आपको जो भी कलेक्शंस दिख रहा हो ना, आप क्या करो, एक सिंपल से कलेक्शंस को, जो भी आपको कलेक्शन दिख रहा है, उसको किसी भी आप एक सॉर्टिंग फॉर्म